Alright guys, welcome back to this class, and today we are going to continue from where we stopped in our last class. Remember, in the last class we were talking about creating custom header. So today we are going to look at how we could create custom footer. So same way we go to our appearance, we go to header footer. So here I'm going to click on add new. So I'm about creating a footer, so maybe I can call it footer. You can see that. So after then I say edit with Elementor.
It's now 11 p.m.
Alright, so I allow it to. Okay, so this is a custom an editing page of Elementor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my structure. So depending on how you want your layout to be, so I want to form a 3 layout. So this is what I have. So now I edit the section, go to my style, then I want to add a background color to it. Let me say black. Okay, let me use this. This is a little bit less dark. So first I'm going to insert, okay, let me add a retina image. So I pick retina image, I drag and drop here. This is how I want my concept to look, so you can have a different concept too. So I come here too, I pick a text editor, then add below it. So I can make my, since the background color, I can make the text color. So you can see I go to style, go to text color, I want to change it to white. I go to my typography, I go to weight, I make it bold. So under typography you can actually change the font. There are a lot of fonts there. You can work on the size, but I've already made all those settings, so I don't need to justify it if you want to justify, but you still leave the alignment to be left. So I am also going to add maybe our social handles here. The last time I used this, so let me use this time around just to illustrate this for you. So I can add a social media logos there. This is it. So you can see. So this is Facebook. You can see it here. You can change the icon if you wish to. This is the color. So depending on what you want it to be, I want it to be white. You can as well scroll down and then choose other things which you want to choose here. So I come down, I make sure all their colors are white because of my background color. Alright, so this is what I have here. So this image, I can choose one of the image from my uploaded media. Okay, let me go with this. So Maybe this is network, that's why it's not coming up. But once you have selected it, you see your image here. So I move over to the next one. I want to insert maybe some list of pages here. So I start with heading. Maybe I can put my heading and then I say quick links. So you can choose which heading you want it to be. It can be H4, it can be H3. You understand? So this is the size and how you want it. This is the alignment. So I go back on the typography. I want to make the weight bold too. So I return to this. I search for info list or info box, anyone. So I can go with this or go with this, or depending on what you want. So anyone you want. You can as well come for icon list. You understand? We have a lot of lists. I just search for list here. You understand? So if I come with icon list, I drag and drop below, so you can see a lot of things. So first, what I'm going to start with, I edit the icon. The text is the name. Maybe I can say about us. So I'm going to take out the icon. Say contact us. So here I can say our services. So you can duplicate this, or you can then add more. So I can say frequently asked question. Then I can also say portfolio. You get it? So these are just the list of things I have. So below them here, this is where you add the direct links to all these things you have actually, so that once someone clicks on them, it takes them to the link. So under the style, I am going to, this is how you want to align it. Do you want it to be center, right, or left? This is for you to enable divider. If you want the divider to actually be, this is for the list. This is for the icon, but I disabled all the icon. Now this is for the text. So the text color, I'm going to have it to be white. You understand? You can see what we have here. So you can as well work on these other ones too. So this is what I have here now. About us, contact us, services, FAQ, and then portfolio. You understand? So you can add as many as you want to. So I can come here now and then add maybe another title to this third one, and then I add it to be maybe contact us. So I can still make it my H3. Same way, I can search for lists. It's as simple as that, lists. So let me still use this icon list. I bring it below here. You can see it. Now I want to add a call button, an email button first of all. So I can say maybe info@ob.tech. This is it here. I click here on the icon. I search for email. I select email. Now on the link, what it will be is mail to info@obi.tech. This would actually take, once you click on this now, it will prompt you to send a mail to info@obi.tech. You understand? So same thing here. You can as well add 08064933665 as a phone number. I click here and then I search for call. You can see the icon and then the number. I will give you the HTML code for you to prompt numbers. When you click, when someone clicks on the number, it automatically pops up for the person. So you can add other things. Maybe here could be your address. We can say 27A Western Avenue, GRA. So I change this to location. So this is location, or let's see if we have anything like venue or address. So you can see, but I'm going to use something that looks like a map. You understand? Like a pointer to indicate that this is actually a location. So you can see it. Now simply I go back to my settings, my style, and then I make all my text color white. And then the icons, I'm going to make the icons to be white too, depending on what I want. You can see it is now visible to us here. Now if you have a contact form, you can actually attach a contact form as well as other necessary information you wish to attach to. You understand? So this is just a basic knowledge on how to do this. Alternatively, I can decide to take this out. That's after I've published. I can take this whole thing out. So when I take it out, I can click on, okay, let's start with Elementor Kits. So once I click on Elementor Kits, I come to footer. When you click on footer, you see a lot of samples, already made footers that you can insert, and then all you need to do is just to work on them by editing them. You understand? So for instance, I can insert this. So this is just what I have inserted. You can see this is a logo and this is a text. This is a social media handle. This is a contact information. These are links, info lists for them. This is an Instagram feed. This is copyright. Lastly, if you want to insert copyright, you can just come here and search for copyright, and then you can insert it as well. So this is for Elementor Kits. So same approach too. You can as well click on the master add-on here, this, to get some other samples of what you can do too. So once I click on master add-on, allow it to load. Once it opens up, these are footers. Click on footer for you to see a sample of footers available for you. You can actually see some ones that you will like. These are already made design that you don't need to stress yourself again. All you need to do is just to edit. So you pick one and then insert it into your work. So once you insert it, it will be available for you to edit. So you can edit to your taste. So this is an illustration of one. This is the logo at the center. This is a brief information about the company. These are the contact information, social media handles, and then copyright. This copyright can be inserted simply by just come here, search for copyright. You can see it, copyright.